Walls are like a blank canvas. They can make your living room look dull and empty, or they can completely transform it into a stylish, inviting space. And in 2025, wall decor is all about creativity, boldness, and functionality. In this video, we'll explore the top wall decoration trends for 2025, with ideas that range from modern minimalism to dramatic statement walls. Whether your living room is small or spacious, these ideas will inspire you to turn those empty walls into works of art. 1. Bold accent walls. Accent walls are taking center stage in 2025. Instead of painting every wall the same, one wall becomes the star of the room. Deep, bold colors like emerald green, navy blue, and terracotta are trending. Textured paint finishes, think lime wash, stucco, or matte finishes, add depth. Geometric paint patterns are also becoming popular, creating playful yet modern looks. Tip: choose the wall behind your sofa or TV as the accent wall to make the biggest impact. 2. Wall panels and 3D designs. Flat walls are out, and textured walls are in. Wood slat panels give warmth and a Scandinavian-inspired vibe. PVC and MDF 3D wall panels are affordable and come in endless patterns, waves, grids, or geometric lines. Stone or faux stone cladding adds a natural, earthy touch. These panels aren't just stylish. They also hide imperfections and sometimes even improve acoustics. Section 3. Artistic wall decor. Artwork continues to dominate wall design in 2025. Oversized art pieces create a bold focal point. One large canvas often looks cleaner than a cluttered gallery wall. Abstract art and line drawings are trending for modern homes. Personalized art, from family portraits to custom digital prints, makes your space truly yours. Design tip: keep your artwork at eye level for the best visual balance. 4. Mirrors and reflective elements. Mirrors are still one of the best tricks in interior design. Large statement mirrors instantly make a small living room feel bigger. Clustered mirrors in different shapes add a creative, modern touch. Tinted or bronze mirrors are new in 2025, giving a warmer, softer reflection. 5. Shelving and functional walls. Why not make your walls beautiful and useful? Floating shelves are perfect for displaying books, plants, or decor pieces. Built-in shelving units create symmetry and give a designer look. Wall-mounted cabinets hide clutter while keeping the room sleek. Pro tip: keep shelves styled with 70% decor and 30% empty space. Overcrowding makes it messy. 6. Lighting as decoration. In 2025, wall lighting isn't just functional, it's part of the design. LED strip lights behind panels or shelves add a futuristic glow. Wall sconces in brass, matte black, or minimalist styles double as decor. Backlit panels create dramatic mood lighting. Lighting can highlight textures, colors, and even art, making your walls come alive. 7. Natural and eco-friendly walls. Sustainability is big in 2025, and walls are no exception. Green walls or vertical gardens bring nature indoors. Bamboo or rattan panels add eco-friendly warmth. Clay-based wall finishes are both natural and breathable. These not only look stunning but also make your living room healthier and more calming. So those are the top wall decoration goals for 2025. From bold accent walls and textured panels to mirrors, lighting, and eco-friendly materials, there are endless ways to transform your living room walls into something extraordinary. Which trend is your favorite? The dramatic accent wall, the cozy wood panels, or the modern oversized art? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and explore my other interior design videos for more inspiration on living rooms, dining spaces, and modern home decor trends. Because remember, when you design your walls with intention, you're not just decorating, you're creating the atmosphere of your entire home.